So in today's video, I'll show you how to clean the charging contacts on MOVA Z60 Ultra. In order to clean the charging contacts, you should use a microfiber cloth. It can be soaked in isopropyl alcohol to dissolve the debris more effectively, or in water. It could also be dry. If you're using water though, I recommend using a dry cloth afterwards to remove excess water and to prevent stains. You should clean the charging contacts on the back of your robot because that's the only place where they are located, these two. Now, you should also clean them inside of the station. They are located right here on the inside, 1 and 2. And they should also be cleaned in the same way, but I recommend unplugging the station before doing that to make it all safer. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.